2013 Triple Threads Box 148, 11 p.m. on the dot. Here we go. Hey, we got to turn it up a notch. What do you guys think? Cool. There's that right there. When you get either an underdog hit or like a moonster hit, let's just do it. Okay. All right. Good luck. Here we go. Here's DeMarco Murray, 118 out of 170. Going to those Cowboys. Earl the Pearl, 256, 320. James Laurinaitis. A.J. Green. Darren Sproles. And then he got, this is Gino, Tavon, and Studman Bailey, 21 out of 36. One of those Jets, Steele, 29. There you go, bub. And then Andre Ellington, there he is, 9 out of 99. Going to AZ, I done told you AZ's got hits in here. J Left. There you go, dude. All right, next little mini pack. We're here in box 1. Is that 4-8? Yeah. I think we got a little something weird in here. I like it. Percy Arvin, 32 out of 99. Percy Arvin. Back to back. 298, 320. Little RG3. Demarius Thomas. Steven Jackson. Ooh, oh, oh, we got something weird in here. I like it. This is going to be Terrence Williams. I don't know if anybody saw that down there, but Terrence Williams, 11 out of 99, going to Dallas. Paulo. Look at this. Brian Orepico. It's the Rack Attack. Here's the vet autos that we're looking for. That's 7 out of 9, and it's on one of those cards. It's like about 150 point. I thought it was Griff at first. But, dude, this card is schnasty. That's going to Paulo. Paulo, I never put it past him. Paulo, you sandbag. I'm just joking. He always snags a solid hit. I love it, dude. There you go, dude. Very nice. The Rack Attack. 7 out of 9. We got tons of Washington fans in here, too. That's always neat to see. Number one, I love these cards. These are different because they're a lot thicker. But then they just have like this, almost like a monetary look to the sticker in the back of like the triple threads. Like it just looks like money. Is that weird that I say that? It just looks really cool back here. Like wings flying around, like maybe like an eagle or something like that. So anyway, the very nice hit. I like it. I never know what to expect from triple threads.